How to avoid scams when opening a Gold IRA, simple guide for 457B to Gold Rollover investors. Protecting your retirement savings starts with knowing how to avoid scams when opening a Gold IRA. If you're planning a 457B to Gold IRA rollover, scammers often target investors who are new to precious metals. They use fear, hidden fees, and confusing offers to rush decisions. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. This simple guide explains what to watch for so you can invest with confidence and peace of mind. 1. Verify the Gold IRA custodian. A Gold IRA must be managed by an IRS-approved custodian. Always confirm the company is properly licensed and registered. Check IRS eligibility, review FINRA or SEC records, and look at the company's BBB rating. If they refuse to provide proof or rush you, walk away. 2. Use a direct 457B to Gold IRA rollover. The safest option is a direct, trustee-to-trustee rollover. Your funds should move directly from your 457B plan into the Gold IRA without passing through your hands. This helps avoid taxes, penalties, and theft. Never send money to an individual or third-party broker. 3. Buy only IRS-approved gold. Scammers often push collectible or rare coins that are not allowed in IRAs. Approved gold must be at least 99.5% pure. Stick with IRS-approved bullion only. Legitimate providers will never pressure you to buy exclusive coins. 4. Avoid high-pressure sales tactics. Promises of fast profits or urgent deadlines are major red flags. Statements like "act now" or "guaranteed returns" are common scam tactics. A trustworthy company educates you and gives you time to decide. 5. Understand all fees up front. Ask for a written breakdown of all costs, including setup fees, annual fees, storage charges, and commissions. Hidden fees slowly drain retirement savings. If pricing is unclear, do not proceed. 6. Use IRS-approved storage. Gold in a retirement account must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Never store IRA gold at home. Legitimate providers offer insured, secure vault storage. 7. Research the company's reputation. Read reviews on multiple platforms, check complaint history, and look for long-term experience. A solid reputation is one of the best signs of a trustworthy Gold IRA provider. 8. Get everything in writing. Always request written agreements, receipts, and rollover instructions. Verbal promises offer no protection. Learning how to avoid scams when opening a Gold IRA is essential for anyone considering a 457B rollover. By choosing verified custodians, using direct rollovers, avoiding pressure tactics, and demanding transparency, you can protect your retirement savings and invest in gold safely for the long term. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.